At Evonik, we see chemistry as a powerful driver for the sustainable transformation. Sustainability is not just one of our strategic pillars. Sustainability is a mindset. How we innovate, how we operate, and how we lead. Sustainability is also part of our purpose. Evonik is leading beyond chemistry to improve life today and tomorrow. As part of Next Generation Evonik, we have embedded sustainability across the entire company, from R&D to portfolio management to production to supply chain, everywhere. At the heart of this transformation is the rigorous portfolio analysis of our portfolio. And our research and development plays a vital role developing our portfolio for the future in a sustainable way. Our sustainability strategy stands on 3 pillars: next generation solutions, next generation technology, and next generation culture. Let's start with next generation solutions. Next generation solutions are products with an improved sustainability profile. In the year 2024, we achieved already 45% of our sales with those products. And our goal is to achieve more than 50% in 2030. These solutions help our customers to reduce emissions, save resources, and increase safety and health across the entire value chain, from automotive to healthcare. Next generation technologies, they are all about reducing our environmental footprint. We set ourselves a goal to reduce our Scope 1 and 2 emissions between 2021 and 2030 by 25%. We want to reduce our Scope 3 emissions in the same time period by 11%. Those goals have been verified by SBTi, the Science-Based Target Initiative. We are committed to be climate neutral by 2050. To achieve that, we are modernizing our production sites, increasing energy efficiency, and use renewable energy wherever possible. Next generation culture is part of how we lead, develop, and reward our people. It's embedded in our leadership principles, in our performance program, in our trainings, to make sure everybody contributes to our sustainability goal. Our innovation strategy is based on 3 global trends: bio-based solution, energy transition, and circular economy. We are developing technologies that reduce the dependency on fossil fuels, enable cleaner energy systems, and promote sustainable material cycles. This approach strengthens our business while contributing to a more resilient and sustainable future. One example here is our polyamide 12 powder, which is used in industrial 3D printing. It enables lightweight and more durable products with a much lower footprint than traditional materials. It's produced using a resource-efficient process and renewable energy. And the powder can be reused during multiple print cycles. This is material circularity in action. This innovation is further strengthened in our collaboration with HP. Together, we are driving forward sustainable 3D printing solutions at scale. HP's advanced printing competence in our material technology enables customers to produce high quality and sustainable products with reduced environmental impact. We also support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially on climate action, responsible consumption, clean water and health. Over 90% of our R&D portfolio are aligned with those goals, ensuring that our innovations achieving a real-world impact. Sustainability isn't just a responsibility, it is a growth driver. Through collaboration, innovation and commitment, we are enabling transformation across industries and society. And we are doing it with measurable impact, transparent reporting and a clear vision for the future.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.